Assalamualaikum. Good morning students. How are you all? I hope you all are fine. First, I would like to start by introducing myself. My name is Ms. Aisha Riaz and I am your math teacher. So on that one video, we are going to solve chapter number 1, which is set of exercise number 1.3. I make a video. On that one video, I solved all questions of exercise number 1.3. So now let's come to the video. Student, this is chapter number 1, sets and exercise number 1.3. Question is, if A is equal to ABCD and B is equal to YZ, find part number 1 A multiplied by B, part number 2 B multiplied by A, part number 3 A multiplied by A, part number 4 B multiplied by B. So A multiplied by B, this multiply sign we say Cartesian product. Cartesian product is, and multiply sign is called a Cartesian product. So in this question we have need to show that A multiplied by B is not equal to B multiplied by A in general. So now let's start to solve. Part number 1, A multiplied by B is equal to, in a place of A we write the elements of A, which are A, B, C, D. Cartesian product means के multiply sign, and in a place of B we write Y, Z, which are the elements of B. In Cartesian product we multiply the elements of both sides, means के A has 4 elements and B has 2 elements, so 4 2s are 8, so we make the total 8 elements, means के A multiplied by Y, so A comma Z, B Y comma B Z, C Y comma C Z, D Y comma D Z. So 4 2s are 8, so we make the 8 set. Part number 2, B multiplied by A. In a place of B we write the elements of B, which are Y comma Z, Cartesian product sign, and in a place of B we write A, B, C, D, which are the elements of set A. So 2 and 4, 2 4s are 8, so again we make the 8 set. Y with A, first we solve Y with A, B, C, D, and then we solve Z with A, B, C, D. So Y, B, Y comma C, Y comma D. Then we multiply Z with the A, B, C, D, Z comma A, Z comma B, Z comma C, Z comma D. So student, then we will show that A multiplied by B is not equal to B multiplied by A in general. First we see the answer of A multiplied by B. A multiplied by B is A comma Y. Here we have Y comma A. So the sets of A multiplied by B is not equal to sets of B multiplied by A. A multiplied by B is not equal to B multiplied by A because the place of elements are different. Part number 3, A multiplied by A. In a place of A we write the elements of A, which are A, B, C, D, and in a place of A we write A, B, C, D. So set of elements of set A, 4, means के 4 multiplied by 4, 4 4s are 16, so we make the 16 elements of a set A. First we multiply A comma C, A comma D, then B comma A, B comma B, B comma C, B comma D. Then we take C comma A, C comma B, C comma C, C comma D. Then we take D comma A, D comma B, D comma C, D comma D. So these are the elements of set A multiplied by A. 4 is B multiplied by B. In a place of B we write elements Y comma Z, Cartesian product Y comma Z. So 2 and 2, 2 2s are 4. So first we take Y with Y, and y with z. Then we take z comma y and z comma z. So this is the answer. Suppose that the order pairs x plus y comma 2 and 4 x minus y are equal. Find x and y. Means ke we have a ordered pair x plus y is equal to 4 and x minus y is equal to 2. x y and x y. x को x के साथ लिखेंगे और y को y के साथ. So x plus y is equal to 4 and x minus y is equal to 2. Add. First we give the name equation 1 and equation 2. So add equation 1 and equation 2. x plus y is equal to 4, x minus y is equal to 2. So x plus x positive, so 2x plus minus minus, so y से y cancel out, is equal to 4 plus 2 6. So 2x is equal to 6. x multiply है, so after equal divide form में 2 1 2 2 3 6. So we find the value x. x की वैल्यू हम फाइंड आउट कर चुके हैं. Then we have to find the value of y. So we take the equation, कोई भी हम equation ले सकते हैं, equation 1 या equation 2. So here we take the put the value of x in equation 1. So हमने equation 1 ली and we put the value of x in equation 1. In a place of x we write the value of x, which is 3. 3 plus y is equal to 4. 3 in a positive form, so after equal in a negative form, so 4 minus 3 1. So y is equal to 1. So हम find out कर चुके हैं x is equal to 3 and y is equal to 1. These are the values of x and y. Put the value of x in equation 2. हम equation 2 में भी put करके देख लेते हैं. 3 minus y is equal to 2. 3 यहाँ पर positive है और y negative. So minus y is equal to 2 minus 3. Minus y is equal to minus 1. Minus and minus cancel out, so y is equal to 1. If you put the value of x in equation 1 or either in equation 2, so we get the same answer. Question number 3. Let a is equal to a comma b, b is equal to 2 comma 3, c is equal to 3 comma 4. Find a multiplied by b union c. So first we find out the b union c and then we find out the Cartesian product, which is a multiplied by b union c. So solution, first we find the b union c. b union c is equal to, in a place of b we write the elements of b 2 comma 3 union elements of c 3 comma 4. So in a union we write the elements of both set in a arranged form, so 2 3 4. Then we find a multiply b union c. A multiply a Cartesian product b union c. So in a place of a we write ab Cartesian product 2 comma 3 means के b union c. Cartesian product, so 2 3 2 3s are 6. So we make the sets of 6. A multiply 2 means के a2 a3 a4. Then b comma 2 b comma 3 b comma 4. So this is the answer. Part number 2 is a Cartesian product b union a Cartesian product c. So first we find a Cartesian product b, then we find a Cartesian product c. A Cartesian product b is equal to a comma b Cartesian product 2 comma 3 2 2s are 4. So first we take a comma 2, then a comma 3, then we take b comma 2 b comma 3. Then we find a Cartesian product c. In a place of a we write ab, in a place of c we write 3 comma 4. So 2 2s are 4. First we take a comma 3 a comma 4. Then we take b comma 3 b comma 4. and then we take the union of A Cartesian product B union A Cartesian product C. In a place of A Cartesian product B, we write A comma 2, A comma 3, B comma 2, B comma 3, which are the elements of A Cartesian product B. Bracket close, then union sign. In a place of A Cartesian product A Cartesian C, in union we write the elements of both sets in a range form. So first we write A comma 2, A comma 3. A comma 3 we have 2 times, so we write it only 1 time. A comma 4, then B comma 2, B comma 3, B comma 4. This is the answer. Part number 3, A Cartesian product B intersection C. So first we find B intersection C and then we find Cartesian product. So B intersection C is equal to, in a place of B we write the elements of B which are 2, 3, intersection sign. In a place of C we write 3, 4 which are the elements of C. In intersection we write the common element, same element of both sets. So 3 is a common element, so we write 3. A Cartesian product B intersection C is equal to, in a place of A we write the elements of A, AB. In a place of B intersection C we write 3. So Cartesian product 2 ones are 2. So first we take A with 3, A comma 3 and B comma 3. This is the answer. Question number 4. For the sets given in question number 3, find part number 1 A Cartesian product B minus C. So question number 3 में जो हमें values given थी A, B, C की, with the same values we solve the question number 4. First we find the B minus C, then we find the Cartesian product. B minus C is equal to, in a place of B we write 2 comma 3, minus sign. In a place of C we write 3 comma 4. So minus sign we have, so subtract, we cancel out the same element and the remaining is only 2. Subtract sign में हम हमेशा remaining elements फर्स्ट सेट के रिमेनिंग एलिमेंट्स लिखते हैं और सेकंड सेट के जो रिमेनिंग एलिमेंट होते हैं उसे हम स्किप कर देते हैं. सो B माइनस C इज इक्वल टू 2. A Cartesian product B minus C. In a place of A we write A comma B Cartesian product. B minus C in a place of we write 2. So 2 ones are 2. Elements of set A is 2. So 2 multiplied by 1. 2 ones are 2. First we take A with 2 and then we take B with 2. A comma 2 comma B comma 2. This is the answer. Part number 2. A Cartesian product C minus B. So first we solve C minus B. In a place of C we write 3 comma 4 minus, in a place of B we write 2 comma 3. We cancel out the same elements which is 3 and remaining element is 4. When we subtract the elements of two sets, so we write the only remaining element of first set and we skip the remaining element of second set. So remaining element of set 1 is 4 और जो रिमेनिंग एलिमेंट है सेट 2 का 2 उसे हम स्किप कर देंगे. देन वी फाइंड ए कार्टेशियन प्रोडक्ट C माइनस B इज इक्वल टू, इन अ प्लेस ऑफ A वी राइट A कॉमा B कार्टेशियन प्रोडक्ट. इन अ प्लेस ऑफ C माइनस B वी राइट 4. So we take A comma 4 and B comma 4. This is the answer. Part number 3 is A Cartesian product B delta C. So first we find B delta C and then we find Cartesian product. B delta C is equal to, in a place of B we write 2 comma 3 delta In a place of C we write 3, 4. So in delta we cancel out the same element, we skip the same element and we write the remaining element of sets. Remaining elements are 2, 4. So B delta C is equal to 2, 4. इन डेल्टा वी स्किप द सेम एलिमेंट्स. डेल्टा में हम सेम एलिमेंट्स नहीं लिखते, जो डिफरेंट एलिमेंट्स होते हैं हम डेल्टा में वो वाले एलिमेंट्स लिखते हैं. सो ए कार्डिशन बी डेल्टा सी, ए कार्डिशन प्रोडक्ट बी डेल्टा सी इज इक्वल टू, इन अ प्लेस ऑफ ए वी राइट ए कॉमा बी, इन अ प्लेस ऑफ बी डेल्टा सी वी राइट 2, 4. So first we take a comma 2, a comma 4. Then b comma 2, b comma 4. This is the answer. Question number 5 is let a is equal to 1, 2, 3, 4. B is equal to 2, 4, 5, 6 and C is equal to 2, 3, 6, 8. So find A minus B, Cartesian product B minus C. So first we find A minus B, then we find B minus C, and in the last we find Cartesian product which is A minus B, Cartesian product B minus C. So solution, A minus B is equal to, in a place of A we write the 1, 2, 3, 4 which are the elements of set A. In the place of B we write 2, 4, 5, 6 which are the elements of set B. We cancel out the same elements which are 2, 4 and we write the remaining elements of set 1 which are 1, 3. Then we find B minus C. In the place of B we write 2, 4, 5, 6 minus, in a place of 3 we write 2, 3, 6, 8. We cancel out the same elements which are 2 and 6. We write the remaining element of first set which are 4 and 5. So B minus C is equal to 4, 5. Then we find A minus B, Cartesian product B minus C is equal to, in a place of A minus C we write 1, 3. In a place of B minus C we write 4, 5. First we take 1, 4, 1, 5. Then we take 3, 4, 3, 5. This is the answer. Part number 2 is A intersection B, Cartesian product B intersection C. So first we find A intersection B, then we find B intersection C, and in the last we find Cartesian product. Solution, A intersection B. A intersection B is equal to, in a place of A we write 1, 2, 3, 4 intersection. In a place of B we write the elements of set B 2, 4, 5, 6. So in intersection we take the common elements. Common elements are 2 and 4. A intersection B is equal to 2, 4. Then B intersection C, in a place of B we write 2, 4, 5, 6 which are the elements of set B intersection. In a place of C we write 2, 3, 6, 8. We take the common elements 2 and 6. 2 and 6 are the common elements. Then we find the Cartesian product A intersection B, Cartesian product B intersection C is equal to 2, 4 in a place of A intersection B, and in a place of B intersection C we write 2, 6. 2, 2, 2, 6, 4, 2, 4, 6. This is the answer. Question number 6 is, let A is equal to A, B, C and B is equal to X, Y, Z. Write two relations in A Cartesian B, two relations in B Cartesian product A, three relations in A or relations in B. So in this question we have need to show the relations of A and B. So first I take a part 1, two relations in A Cartesian B. First we will find the A Cartesian product B and then we will find out the two relations in A Cartesian product B. A Cartesian product B is equal to, in a place of A we write ABC, which are the elements of set A. Cartesian product, in a place of B we write X, Y. A Cartesian product B is equal to AX, AY, BX, BY, CX, CY. Okay, 3 2 is 6. So we have 6 elements: A, X, A, Y, B, X, B, Y, C, X, C, Y. So A Cartesian product is this. There are 6 elements in A Cartesian product B. So we take 2 power n. There will be 2 power n. N is equal to 6. So we take the 2 power 6. We multiply 2 6 times. 2 multiply by 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 2. We multiply 2 6 times. 2 to the 4, 4 to the 8, 8 to the 16, 16 to the 32, 32 to the 64. Subset in A Cartesian product B, there will be 64 binary relations in A Cartesian product B. So here we take R1. We have to make two relations. So first relation we make A, X and A, Y. And then we make a second relation R2. This is a second relation, and in this relation we write the all remaining terms BX, BY, CX and CY. So here we make two relations. Part number 2, two relations in B Cartesian product A. B Cartesian product A is equal to, in a place of B we write the elements of B X, Y. Cartesian product, in a place of A we write A, B, C. B Cartesian product A is equal to, first we take X, A, X, B, X, C. Then we take Y, A, Y, B, Y, C. There will be 6 elements in B Cartesian product A. Above there will be 2 power n, so 2 power 6, also 64. So 2 power 6 is equal to 64 subsets in B Cartesian product A. So there will be 64 binary relations in B Cartesian product A. So in this question we also make the two relations. So R1, which is relation 1, X, A, X, B, R2 means के relation to y comma a, y comma b, y comma c. Part number 3 is 3 relations in a Cartesian product A. So here we write elements of set A comma b comma c. Cartesian product elements of set A comma b comma c. So A Cartesian product A, 3 3s are 9. So first we take A comma B, A comma C. Then we take B comma A, B comma B, B comma C. Then we take C comma A, C comma B, C comma C. So there are total 9 elements in a set of A Cartesian product A. So there will be 9 elements. Here we count 9 elements in A Cartesian product A. There will be 2 power n is equal to means 2 power 9. We multiply 2 9 times. There are 512 binary relations in A Cartesian product A. So in this question we have to write a 3 relations. So here we write R1 relation 1 A comma B, R2 relation 2. Here we take A comma B, A comma C, and R3 which is relation 3. In this we take B comma A, B comma B and B comma C. Question number 4, all relations in B. So here we write B Cartesian product B. In a place of B we write the elements of B. X comma y Cartesian product X comma y. These are the elements of set B. B Cartesian product B is equal to, first we take X comma X, X comma Y, Y comma X, Y comma Y. So here we have 2 multiplied by 2. So here we have 4 elements in a set B Cartesian product B. So there are 4 elements in B Cartesian product B. So there will be 2 power n. So 2 power 4 which is 16. We multiply 2 4 times which is equal to 16. So there will be 16 binary relations in B Cartesian product B. All relations in B are. So in this question we have to make a all relations in B. सबसेट बनाने के लिए सबसे पहला एलिमेंट जो हम लेते हैं वो नल लेते हैं. So here we take a first element which is null R2. So here we take a X comma X, and then R3 which is relation 3 we take X comma Y. In R4 we take Y comma X. In R5 relation 5 we take Y comma Y. Okay, here we write a single element and then we write a two elements appearing. two elements अब हम लिखेंगे R6 is equal to X comma X comma X comma Y. R7 relation 7 X comma X comma Y comma X. R8 which is relation 8 is equal to X comma X comma Y comma Y. So here we make R9 which is relation 9. So then we take X comma Y. अब हम X comma Y लेंगे और इसके साथ पेयरिंग करेंगे X comma Y comma Y comma X. R10 is equal to X comma Y comma Y comma Y. Then R11 which is relation 11 is equal to, then we take y comma x. अब हम y comma x के साथ पेयरिंग करेंगे, y comma x comma y comma y. फर्स्ट एलिमेंट सिंगल एलिमेंट ले लिया, 2 2 का पेयर बना लिया, एंड हियर वी मेक अ पेयर ऑफ 3 3. 3 3 के पेयर अब हम बनाएंगे इन अ रिलेशन ऑफ R12. x comma x comma x comma y comma y comma x. Then here we write R13 which is relation 13. So here we take x comma x, x comma y and y comma y. Then we make a R14 which is relation 14. In relation 14 we also make a pair of 3 which are x comma x, x comma y and y comma y. And then we make a relation 15 R15 which is x comma y, y comma x and y comma y. And then we make relation 16, and in this relation we write all the elements which are x comma x, x comma y, y comma x and y comma y. Student, I hope you all understand all the questions of exercise number 1.3. If you have any questions, any queries, so you can ask about this exercise or any other exercise, and mark your attendance on a Google Classroom comment section. Students, this is your last exercise of your syllabus which we have solved. So now your syllabus has been completed. So do practice all exercises, and I wish you all the best for your exams. So now Allah Hafiz, take care of yourself.